Sanna here. Now today we will be doing our first daily challenge called, drumroll please, making a banana blueberry smoothie. How cool is that? So I will be guiding you through this, and all I can say is good luck and happy making. Okay, so I will be making the smoothie for 2 people, my brother and I, but you can make it for whoever would like to have it. Now the first step is ingredients. Set up your ingredients, which are peanut butter, a full banana, coconut milk, but you can use any milk you prefer, a handful of blueberries, and hemp seeds or hemp hearts as some people might say. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the second step is to mix all the ingredients, and I'm using my favorite blender here, and you can use your favorite blender too. So the first step I want you to do is take your type of milk and shake it. Okay, and then I want you to pour the milk about right over here. Well, about how much smoothie you want to make, basically. Okay, now that is done, you want to take your full banana and put it in the milk. So put that there. Okay, and lock that in there. Okay, now that that is done and the milk is done, you want to put your peanut butter in there. Okay, peanut butter. Take about too much. How about this much? Alright, and place that in the smoothie. And then there we go. Okay, so now the second last ingredient I want you to put is a spoonful of the hemp hearts or hemp seeds, okay? Spoonful there. Go. Pour that into your smoothie. Okay, now the last ingredient I want you to put is the handful of blueberries. Whoops. Okay, now all you need to do is mix it and blend it in your favorite blender. Okay, so now that I have mixed my ingredients and I also added some ice in it since it's a really nice and hot day, now I want you to pour it into your cups, which I have 2 of them today. And there we go. So now that that's all done, there's only one more step left. Drink and have fun.